All right, welcome to this section of our training. I believe that at this point, everybody now has your VPN set up, and then you've also gotten your UK phone number. Okay, so the next thing we want to talk about now is how to get the postcode for the country or for the region that your VPN will be, let's say, apportioning for you in your own case. Now, at this point, everybody is not going to get the same result because your VPN is going to allocate you to a different region from the one it's going to allocate to me. So everybody's not going to get the same thing. So you have to understand how these go. So the very first thing you want to do is that you want to go and connect your VPN now. So here is my Stereo VPN. So I'm just going to tap on it and then wait for it to load up. Okay, everybody must be connected to the United Kingdom, so make sure that your own is there. So you can see here that it has selected United Kingdom for me. If yours did not give you United Kingdom, you want to be sure that it's set to United Kingdom. So just going to tap on it and wait for this to be connected. Okay, so you can see here that mine is now connected. So once your VPN is connected to the United Kingdom, the next thing you want to do is to open another browser on your phone. So let me just go ahead and do that. Where's my Chrome? All right, so once your browser is opened up, just go to this address. I'm going to type it on the screen also. What is my IP address.com? As you can see it on your screen. So I'm going to search for that. Okay, so you can see what is displaying for us here. So you can see this is my IP number. Like I said, we are not supposed to get the same results. So it's going to depend on what this VPN has allocated to you. So what you want to do here is that you want to come to this, click for more details about blah, blah, blah. And then, okay, for this, just agree. Okay, so just come to this, click for more details about this IP address. So I'm going to click on that. Alright, so you can see that it has given us more details about this IP address. So as far as we're concerned, this is our location in the UK. And remember that it's our VPN that is allocating this particular detail to us. Okay, but for this particular task, we don't need all of this information. Okay, we only need two things here, and that is the state stroke region and then the city. So as you can see here that the country is United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Now for the state stroke region, you can see that it's giving us England. And then for the city, my own city is giving me Rockdale. I don't know if I pronounce that well. So your own is not going to be exactly this. So make sure you don't copy mine. Make sure you copy just yours. Okay, so I'm going to note these two down somewhere. So you can just get a pen and a paper and just put it down somewhere. Make sure you get it the right way. So I have England and then the Rockdale. Okay, so once you get this, once again you're going to open another browser. Okay, and this time around, another tab on your browser, and this time around you're just going to come to Google and search for just a postal code. Postal code. Now this time around, you're going to add in the name of your city. Remember I told you that we are not going to get the same result. Mine is Rockdale. Okay, I don't know what your will be. So go and type in the name of the city that your VPN gave to you. In my own case, it's Rockdale. So I'm just going to do that, Rockdale. Alright, so once I do that, I'm going to search for it. Okay, so once I search for it now, you can see that it's giving me some list here. So now listen to me very carefully. What you want to do here is that you want to take note of this B that it's giving you. Okay, in fact, if possible, just take note of the BL. Your own could be AU, your own could be RY, your own could be anything. Mine is BL. So if I let me expand this and see if it's going to give me more. Okay, it's not giving me any more. So I'm just going to take note of that BL. So you're going to put it somewhere because we're going to use that for the next stage of this process. So once it gives you these zip codes, okay, now it has opened up. Okay, so you can see that it's just giving me BL. So that BL is what is really important to us. Okay. So once again, you're going to go to a new tab. Okay, so I'm going to open another tab, and this time again, I'm going to type in DOOGAL post code generator. Okay, Dougal post code generator. All right, so once I do that, I'm going to search for it again. Okay, and then this time around, I'm going to click the first link, the first result, and wait for it to load. Okay, so once it opens this for me, I'll come to this option here. All right, I'm just going to select and search for that my BL. If I like, I can choose only B, but since I saw BL, let me see that. Okay, so you can see BL here, so I'm going to select BL. Can you see that? Once I do that, I'm going to click, or I'm going to tap on create a random postcode and wait for it to give me a result. Okay, so it's giving me, it says your random postcode is BL49 blah blah blah. Okay, so you can see that it's giving me here. So once again, I want to write down this code somewhere, so I'm going to write BL for 9NP. Okay, I'm going to do that. So the next thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to click on create a matching address. Now you can see under the create a matching address that we also have a create a matching phone number, but of course we already have a phone number, so we will not need that. So I'm just going to click on create a matching address. So you can see that it's giving me a matching address. So what I can do here is just to copy. Okay, I'll just copy this matching address, or again, like I like doing, I'll write it down somewhere. Okay, so that is it. If I like, if I don't like this particular address, I can still, you know, create another one and keep creating another one, but of course we don't need to overcomplicate matters. So I think this is okay by me. So now you will notice that we have generated a postcode, and we have also generated a matching address for our postcode, and those are the two things that we need here. So when we do that, then we're going to just copy it and save it somewhere safe, and we're going to use it for the next process. So this is how to do that. So I want to believe that if you follow through on everything that we have done, at this point we have, number one, been able to get our VPN. Number two, we have been able to get our UK phone number. Number three, we have been able to generate a postcode for our location. And number four, we have been able to generate a matching address for our location. So if you have gotten these four correctly, then you are actually on the right path. So we're going to continue this tutorial in the next video. I'm going to see you there.